Good morning YouTube, it's Mike. I'm back. I wasn't here for a while, for good reason. We've been just dealing with the crazy amount of the properties for our clients and there was no chance to do any videos. But today we've got nice 2-bedroom flat in Reading, which is very old, well dated, but we're gonna carry on a bit difficult cleaning for the kitchen and for the bathroom. So let me switch the camera and I will show you where we are. So here we've got the kitchen. So literally the kitchen, when you walk in, it doesn't look that bad until you're not gonna start looking closely. As you can see, those units are very old, and the problem is when they're repainting those fronts and the grease starts sticking to the surface, it's very difficult to remove that grease because it's bonding to the paint. Also, I don't know if you can see, so all those units are completely covered with the grease. We've got also the radiator, which is pretty dirty as well. The cooker, luckily the oven is not too bad, so it's not like, you know, you have to dig it with double oven for another 1.5 hours. That's a good point because it's gonna save us a lot of time. But the cooker itself, as you can see, there's like grease everywhere. We've got grease on the wall tiles. I don't know if you can see it. It always looks better on the camera than in the real view. So exactly the same thing, lots of grease around the units. All the units need to be fully degreased and fully clean. The extractor looks a bit dirty as well, as you can see. We have to dismantle that extractor, replace the filter, trying to fix all those switches because they've got lots of grease everywhere. The kitchen units, ta-da! They look absolutely horrible as well. It's like grease everywhere. I guess the previous tenant was a heavy cooking person, so all the units are completely covered with the grease. It's gonna take a while for us to get rid of that, because we have to go every single unit one by one to make sure we're gonna achieve the results. Line scale is not the issue. So you can see the window frame also looks up pretty horrible. We have to do steam cleaning for that to make sure we're gonna get rid of all the crap which is condensated around the seals. So yeah, we've got units also on the bottom, all those handling points need to be clean, and we've got wonderful washing machine, as you can see. Entire front face needs to be degreased as well. We have to take care about this solution drawer. We've got mold in the seals, which I don't think so we're gonna be able to fix it. So everywhere is grease everywhere in this place. As you can see on the wall tiles, I don't know if you're gonna see it, but oh, here we go. All the wall tiles are covered with the splashes of the grease. All the hiding corners. Fridge, freezer. Front face of the fridge. Oh, here we go. That's tasty. Oh yes. The smell is nasty. So yeah, we have to deal with this one as well. Even the door frames, as you can see, they're all covered with the grease. That grease is absolutely everywhere. So it's gonna take us a bit while to sort out that kitchen. We also got grease on the floor, and another window that needs to be done. So it's a bit challenging job for us. I don't know if you can see, even those pipes are fully covered with the grease, so this is going to be completely funny thing, you know. If you don't have right procedure for this kind of things, you're gonna stuck here for ages and you're not gonna make a money, because simple, you know, you have to do that in a day if you want to be in that business. Anyway, I'm gonna start myself and I'm gonna start make a plan how to approach that kitchen first, and after the kitchen I'm gonna move to the bathroom. So we do the most two difficult sections first, and then it's just easy peasy to do the rooms, which is, you know, typical, maybe I would say 2.5 hour job. So let's do it.
Baby, I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake, greatest mistake. Secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake, greatest mistake.
long day. It took like 6 good hours to do just the kitchen and the bathroom. So let me show you what we've got after those hours. So as you can see, I did all the walls, windows, extractor fan looking nice and fresh as well. All the tiles down there, those black dark spots is damage of the ground. So cooker, all the units on front and inside. I'm not gonna show you the inside because you're not gonna recognize any difference because the inside is completely damaged. So that's the washing machine. All the fronts, it has been completely degreased. That wall as well. And do you remember that fridge freezer? It's now sold as well. So yeah, those are rust transfer from the legs from the fridge. So as you can see, it's mostly done. We're gonna just double check when we're gonna leave this property. So as you can see, sometimes we've got nice jobs which takes couple of like 3-4 hours. Sometimes like this one we have to spend here ages. There's no Veronica today, so it was on me. As you can see, the bathroom has been sorted as well. All the tiles, window, skirtings, sink, that wall on the back, toilet, and the mirror, floor, side, frame and doors. So that's going to be definitely enough for the end of tenancy. The new people is gonna be able to move in. We have to come back later because we've got those rooms, which won't be a big issue, to be honest. It's gonna probably take us maybe like 3 hours to do the rooms, and the one person's gonna do the rooms and windows, same like this one, and I'm gonna crack on the carpets. So when we'll be back, I do another video and I'm gonna wrap up everything and I'm gonna upload for you guys so you can see what we do it, how we do it, and how we're making money. So see you in another day.